Good morning. Could I have a Labradors? We just fed them their deworming medicine last night, and they loved the puppy milk that we mixed with it. And so this morning we decided to go ahead and start them on some milk formula before we do the actual gruel, which is a mix-up of the formula and the puppy food. Get their little stomachs used to something other than mama's milk. Do you hear that? You can tell they just hate it. They keep like biting the edge. It's kind of funny. Is that good stuff? Is that good stuff? You know your cocoa mom is going to come in here and want to drink it all up, so you better hurry up and eat. Come on, Roo. There you go. Come on, Calvin. Come on, Calvin. Come up to the table, mister. You're going to lick it off of your sister's ear? Come on. Come on. Oops. Come forward right here. Calvin. 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 They may be done because they just ate some off Mama, but I wanted to. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Little milk mustache. All right. Have a good day, everybody.